When you're offshore, there's no room for failure. Precision One Works delivers advanced shipboard maintenance systems that perform where it matters most: on deck, in tanks, and under tension. Built for sea, backed by real experience. P1W Associates service all major lifting systems, mooring lines, winches, cranes, and chain gear, with high-pressure lubrication systems that clean, seal, and protect from the inside out. Our portable collars and marine greases extend rope life up to 3 times longer right on deck, with no need to disassemble or delay operations. Our marine tank cleaning services remove diesel sludge, oily bilge water, and black water buildup, using vacuum extraction and no-entry rinsing tools to ensure crew safety and clean compliance. P1W equipment is used globally by owners who demand speed, safety, and inspection-ready results. From chain lockers to crane arms, we restore corroded surfaces with marine-grade primers, high-adhesion grease, and protective coatings that stand up to salt, flex, and time. It's not just a fresh coat, it's lifetime extension, and every system we install is available for shipboard integration. P1W Associates offer hands-on training, same-day parts fulfillment, and field-ready kits that help your crew keep operations running without waiting on shore support. This is Precision One Works. This is maintenance that moves with you. Thank you for watching.